Why don't bees get sticky when they make honey? Get ready to explore why don't bees get sticky when they make honey in a whole new way. From in-depth discussions and expert insights to exciting experiments and mind-blowing discoveries, we're here to entertain, educate, and inspire you. So let's get started. When it comes to bees and honey, many questions arise. One intriguing question is why bees don't get sticky when they make honey. Bees are known for their remarkable ability to produce honey, a viscous and sweet substance enjoyed by humans worldwide. However, despite working with this sticky substance, bees themselves manage to avoid getting stuck in their own creation. In this video, we will explore the fascinating reasons behind bees' ability to remain unsticky while making honey. The process of honey production. Before we delve into the reasons behind bees' non-stickiness, let's briefly understand the process of honey production. Honey is made by honeybees, specifically the 8 species of honeybee. These industrious insects collect nectar from flowers, which they store in their honey stomachs. Enzymes in the bees' stomachs break down the complex sugars in the nectar into simpler sugars like glucose and fructose. The bees then regurgitate the processed nectar into honeycomb cells. The composition of honey. Honey is a fascinating concoction of sugars and water. It is stored inside honeycomb cells, which the bees seal with wax until the honey is needed to feed larvae or sustain the adult bees during the winter. The sugars in honey, mainly glucose and fructose, contribute to its sweetness and provide energy to the bees. Why bees don't get sticky. Although honey is a sticky substance, bees manage to handle it without getting stuck. The reason lies in the careful and meticulous behavior of bees when handling honey. When the honeycomb becomes damaged and honey leaks out, bees can become sticky and may even get stuck. However, in most cases, bees are adept at avoiding this stickiness. The role of wax in honey storage. One key factor that prevents bees from getting sticky is the presence of wax in the honeycomb cells. Bees construct honeycomb cells from beeswax, a substance secreted by worker bees. The wax acts as a natural barrier, sealing the honey inside the cells. This barrier prevents direct contact between the bees and the sticky honey, reducing the chances of them getting sticky. Bees' meticulous grooming behavior. Bees are known for their meticulous grooming behavior. They have specialized bristle-like structures on their bodies called setae, which they use to clean themselves and remove any sticky residues. When bees handle honey, they are careful to groom off any sticky substances that may adhere to their bodies. This fastidious grooming helps them maintain cleanliness and prevents them from getting stuck in the honey. Bee experts' insights. Professor Dave Goulson, a bee expert from the University of Sussex, acknowledges that bees can become sticky when handling honey. However, he notes that this occurrence is relatively rare. He believes that bees are simply very careful when handling honey and take the time to groom off any sticky residues. In conclusion, bees don't get sticky when they make honey due to their careful handling and grooming behavior. Honey is a viscous mixture of sugars and water stored inside honeycomb cells sealed with wax. If the honeycomb becomes damaged and honey leaks out, bees can become sticky and may even get stuck. However, bees are known for their meticulous grooming behavior, using specialized bristle-like structures called setae to clean themselves and remove any sticky residues. They are very cautious when handling honey and take the time to groom off any sticky substances that may adhere to their bodies. This fastidious grooming helps bees maintain cleanliness and prevent themselves from getting stuck in the honey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And remember to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching.